Hi guys, so today I'm coming back to the GoPro media mod. Now I still haven't finished the edit for the GoPro media mods unboxing, and for some strange reason I had the idea that it was cool to make a video with my projector projecting Shaun of the Dead behind me while I was recording right next to the projector, so you can hear a lot of fan noise. I've just recently seen the footage, so I need to do something about that. And yeah, so coming back to this now, I think this is a really good buy. It allows me to have a couple of extra mounts, so I can mount my mic there, or my mic there, a light there, or whatever. And yeah, it's pretty good, to be honest with you. I haven't been able to use the HDMI out. I have been able to charge it on the go, which has been good. So the 2 points that I actually needed it for was for the external mic and the charging on the go at the same time, instead of just having that one port. By the way, I don't know if you saw the video for this, I'll link it down in the description below and in a card, but this door is also a godsend. But you have to take this door off and stick the GoPro through here, and then it's basically swapped around. Yeah, I like it. It's very good. I don't think it's waterproof, and I don't expect it to be waterproof, to be fair, but the type of videos I'll be doing, it won't need to be waterproof. But it feels very strong, I'll be honest with you. But if this breaks before this breaks, I think that's still a good deal. It's very overpriced for what it is, to be honest with you. This should not cost more than about 30 quid. So if you can find a cheap one for about 20 to 30 pounds, or $20 to $30, buy it. If it does the same thing as this, then buy it.